Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 13, spring 2024 about spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. Wyatt, what type of laptop do you have? What type of laptop is that? Wyatt, what type of laptop do you have? Oh, you don't know yet. You don't know.
Mr. Petit, you see how fast this mic gone?
Nova.
Say it again.
Nova.
Nova. Is that with L?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. All right, so today is Wednesday, the 1st of April.
Today is Tuesday.
No, sir. Today is Tuesday.
Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday.
Today's Tuesday.
Today is
Today's
Wednesday.
April Fools.
Today is Wednesday.
Today is April
Tuesday.
Today is
Fool's Day.
Wednesday.
April Fool's joke?
Today is April Fool's Day, so he's trying to trick us.
Today is Wednesday, bro.
It's if Monday was the 31st, and Tuesdays and
Where's
Tuesdays-
Najara? I need Najara to sell her this.
It's
Today
the
is today is Wednesday, right?
No, sir.
What?
Let me get in Najara's voice. No, sir.
Where's Daniela? Daniela always tell me I'm right. Daniela, is today Wednesday or Thursday? I mean, or Tuesday?
Today is Tuesday.
Huh?
Daniela is
Today is Tuesday.
Yes.
Today is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Not
Well-
Thursday. Not
well,
Friday. Not
we can
Saturday.
keep it-
Not
we can-
Sunday.
We can keep it as
No,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
We keep it as Wednesday because today is April Fool's Day. So April Fool's class. Haha.
Actually,
My
it is
teacher
Tuesday.
said anybody
Yesterday,
that
I
does
read it minus Monday.
my
Go ahead.
teacher told me today
Uh-huh.
that anybody that does April Fools is a fool.
Oh,
So-
wow. Ouch.
Mr.
Man.
Petit,
Wow. Wow.
Mr. Petit, our
She
school
must have been
April
joking,
Fools.
man.
Bye.
She must have been joking.
Mr. Petit, our school April Fools was Karen's off all day.
What? I didn't know April
Last
Fool.
April Fools.
That's a torture. That is torture. Current was off the whole entire day?
From after 10.
Wow.
Yay. We had to leave early.
Oh, y'all had to leave early. Okay,
1
so
o'clock.
let's begin. So make sure draw your chart as
Please
always.
drawing again.
Yes, I'm gonna work hard to make sure I draw mine. Okay, so make
Yeah. April Fools, we get it. I can't have you join now.
sure.
Can I
I'm
go
gonna
get my
print my
ruler,
shit,
please?
and I worked so hard to print it.
Okay, so all right, so we
Can I
are
get my ruler, please?
yes, you can get your ruler. Let me go ahead and begin. So with this one, we have we're gonna put one second. We're gonna put the stingray spot. The stingray spot. Madeline, are you okay? Are you
Yes, sir.
all right?
Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
One of the tests I took had the same thing you taught me,
Really?
the Red Cross.
That is excellent. I'm glad that happened.
I did it easily.
That's excellent. So grill and chill. Grill and chill.
Excuse me,
Beach.
Mr. Petit. I
Go
have the question right here.
You have the question? Where's the question? Let me see. In your book. There we go. Yeah. You can answer it in your book.
Yes, so I don't have to write it down.
Only to work in.
Oh.
Grill and chill beach.
I worked so hard just for this, you know? You know?
Yes,
Yeah.
very hard, very hard.
Yeah.
Mr. Petit, you got Lincoln following? No, he was a good student.
Grill and chill beach store, $150. The stingray habitat. Maybe you could answer it and put your answer inside the chat. You could do that.
Mr. Petit,
Habitat.
people will start copying.
$70.
Private chat.
And then we have a day away with the stingrays. That's gonna be $70. Okay.
Oh, Mr. Petit, I think my mom already told you, but I have to leave at 4:50.
Okay.
No, I have to leave at 5:50. 5:50.
Yeah,
So
I
I
know.
don't.
So you don't be late. Yeah. 10% discount. We'll try to have you out by then. On the purchase.
I've
All right. Of 2 activities. Okay. 10%
I did
discount
this
on.
in my Glat book as well.
You did it in the Glat book, really? That's excellent.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Oh,
Go ahead.
I beat one of my Glad books one for I don't know if you want me to show you it.
No, you don't have to show me it. It says Jessica selected. Jessica.
I already have my answer.
Put in the chat for me. Jessica selected the grill and chill beach door and the stingray habitat tour. What
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
is
We
the
should totally do that same thing like with the top 5.
top
We should
5?
totally do that.
That makes sense. That makes plenty sense
You like the coffee?
of the 2 events. What is the total cost of the 2 events? All right, so for this one, go ahead, Trinity. Can you read the question for me, please? Jessica.
Jessica selected the Grill and Chill Beach Tour and the Stingray Habitat Tour. What is the cost of the 2 events?
Very good. And Lincoln, since you are not writing, you could go ahead and read the question for me, please. Start with what's on the sign.
The Stingray Sport Grill and Chill Beach Tour, $150. The Stingray Habitat Tour, $70. A day away with the Stingrays, $70. 10% discount on the purchase with 2 activities. Number one A. Jessica selected the Grill and Chill Beach Tour and the Stingray Habitat Tour. What is the cost? What is the total cost of the 2 events?
Very good. What is the total cost of the 2 events? So in order for us to figure out the total cost of the 2 events, we definitely have to add. So we have to add, we have to add the 2 events. So they said, what is the cost of the Grill and Chill Beach Tour? So Grill and Chill Beach Tour, and also the Stingray Habitat Tour. You could do the rest of the questions, Lincoln. You don't have to wait on us. Go to B. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. And so we have Grill and Chill Beach Tour is how much? That's gonna be $150. And then the Stingray Habitat Tour is gonna be $70. And so we have to do. Najara, are you okay? You sure?
I was just not feeling that good today.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we have the Grill and Chill Beach Tour is gonna be $150. Mm-hmm.
I got two answers.
You got two answers. Which answers?
I got 220 and I got 210.
So which one is right?
Or both? I guess.
Both? I don't think so. So we have to add, right? Let's go ahead and add these. So we have to add, we have to say 150, right? 150. Let me do it right now. 150 plus what? Plus 70. And let me go ahead. We know 0 plus 0 is definitely 0. We know 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
Gonna be 12. Put the 2 down, put the 1 up. 1 plus 1 is 2. And the answer is $220.
I got it first.
Right? Did anyone else get 220? 220?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to put the
I did.
dollars. Very good. This is how you do it. Just you get $220. $220, okay? That's how we do it. All right. How many of us got that? Let me know if y'all got that, please. 220.
I got it.
Okay.
I did.
Kerrigan got it.
Very good, Kara again. Maya, you was the first one, incidentally. Maya, then Trinity, then Lincoln. Lincoln, how
I
you
was
gonna-
actually I was the first one, but then my answer was wrong. But I put it. I had a one number mistake instead of
Oh,
this after 22 instead of the 0 I put a 4.
oh, ouch. So be
Yeah.
careful. Be
I
careful.
already have my next answer, so
Okay. Redemption. Sounds like redemption. Sounds like redemption.
Make sure you check that.
redemption.
Maya, leave him, please. All right, let's go with number 2. Number 2.
I'm gonna send the process on.
Number 2. Well, let's go with number 1B then. Number 1B.
Yeah, huh?
Everybody, Najara is down today. So
Oh no.
yeah, someone is gonna
We
take
need
it.
the virtual cookies and some tea.
So that means you can finally have
No, just cheer up.
a chance. You can finally have a chance of redemption and finally see.
No, y'all will not have a redemption if I'm here.
You can't have a
I'm gonna
redemption.
get it.
Can't have a
Oh
redemption.
yeah, okay.
Hope you get better.
okay. So it's a
Yeah.
challenge, I see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Lincoln, I'm gonna beat you, Lincoln.
All right, Jessica received
Yeah,
a discount.
try it.
Jessica received a discount of 10% on her bill. What is the total? What is the total amount of the discount that she received? All right. So Jessica received a 10% discount. So there's a 10% discount on her bill. What is the total amount of discount that she received? All right.
I technically did not answer that, but I remembered that. So I think I didn't get it.
Thank you.
Where is Caden? I
Um,
do not see him as yet.
Hey,
Prophet
How
Lincoln.
unfortunate.
I only see who will answer that question. Lincoln, you answered this question.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I
Okay.
answered.
All right. Good. Joel answered it. Maya answered it. All right. So we say 10%. You could go on to the next one, Lincoln. So we say a 10% discount. So this
I already have my answer.
what is the answer?
For
For 1B, yeah.
C. For 1C. For 1B.
Yeah, 1B.
I have $210.
$210. Okay. All right. So let's move on to 1B. Remember that we say that how many percent, how much percentage discount we have? It's gonna be what?
10%.
10% discount. 10% discount. Now 10% of her total bill. So how do you write a percentage as a fraction? It's gonna be 10 over what?
Over 100.
Over 100 multiplied by what? Multiplied by what's the total? What's the total bill?
220 over 1.
220 over 1. Right? All right, over 1. Now what we have to do here is we have to cancel the zeros. And so that means that what? This zero
That
will cancel with that zero.
And then the next one.
And then this zero, wait, this zero will cancel with that zero. So we are left with what?
22 over
1 over 1. So it's going to be 1 over 1. 1 over 1. Multiplied by what?
22 over 1.
22 over 1. So 22.
22 over 1.
Good. And that's going to be equal to
22 over 1, which is 22.
22 over 1, which is
$22.
I got that right.
Which is 22. Which is 22. So the
Joel,
answer is, so the
Joel
answer,
edited,
so the answer is what? The answer is
22.
22. Very good. 22.
See, this is why you don't copy people.
I put 22, then I changed it.
See, right? I didn't put the 1. I accidentally put a 1. Are you so serious?
Accidentally.
Accidentally.
But see, if you check the chat, it says I edited. It was 22, but I wasn't sure because I did calculate the wrong thing, and I was wondering. I didn't know it.
All right, top three. That would be Maya,
Top
Kerrigan,
3.
and
Okay.
Maya, Kerrigan,
Mr. Petit, and the jar.
Maya, Kerrigan, and the Jaro. Oh wow! All right, do y'all understand how we got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what did we do? 10% is going to be 10 over 100 multiplied by 22. Who said no?
Trinity.
Who?
Trinity.
Trinity. Okay. 1 second, class. 1 second. What is the total amount of money? What is the total amount of money that Jessica paid for the activities after? the discount was applied to the bill, what is the total amount of money that Jessica paid for the activities? What is the total amount of money that Jessica paid for the activities after the discount was applied? Okay. So after the discount was applied, what is the total of money that?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
it's not Wednesday, Tuesday.
April Fools, Joel.
Thank you, Mr. Petit.
Good afternoon. Thanks. Thanks.
So that means tomorrow is gonna be Tuesday.
Seth, I'm turning the camera as well. Trinity, you said you didn't understand B?
Yes, sir.
So all we did, I don't know if you remember how when we did percentage, 10% of means what? Multiplication.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's gonna be 10 over 100 multiplied by the total. We cancel the zeros, all right? Cancel the zeros, so we left with 22. Okay, so that's how we get that one. Now, Seth, read question C for me.
What is the total amount of money that Jessica paid for the activities after the discount was applied to the bill?
So after the discount was applied, what did she pay? How much did she pay after the discount? So first of all, how are we gonna do this, class? You want to figure out, subtract, very good. You want to figure out what is the amount that she paid after the discount is applied. How much is for the tours? How much is for the tours?
$220.
$220, very good. I'm gonna subtract that with, so the tours is $220, and the tours is $220, and the amount of the discount is how much?
$22.
$22. So we're gonna subtract those two. So 220 minus $22. Okay, so we subtract it. All right. So we say what? 0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2? We can't do that, right?
Can't happen.
So we have to borrow. This becomes what?
Get up
1.
off the dirty floor, child.
1.
You can't sit down. You know, sit down in the chair.
10 take away 2 is 8.
10. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is on. Make sure your mic is muted. And this is gonna be Wyatt. That was your mic? Who mic that was?
That was legacies.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be 10. 10 minus 2 is what?
8.
8, very good. And then we have 1 minus 2, which is what? Can't do that, right?
Can't happen.
So this is gonna be 0, well, 1. And it's gonna be what? 11. 11 minus 2. What is 11 minus 2?
9.
9. So it's gonna be 9. 1 minus 0 is 1, so it's gonna be 198. So the total amount of money that Jessica paid for the activities after the discount is going to be $198. So the answer here is 198.
I got first again.
Cannot be. How?
Yeah.
How?
Kaden. I mean, not Kaden, Lincoln. You keep on doing these things to Kaden, and one day he's gonna be your doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor for what?
Hey, Lincoln,
You get sick or something, and Kaden's gonna be like, I remember you. Weren't you the one who was dissing me in class?
Lincoln, I
No.
see answer.
What happened? What
I don't see Lincoln answer.
Where's the Lincoln answer?
My answer just gets sent in the chat.
I don't see it.
Well, how come his is the top of yours, though? Well, then that's yours.
All right, so Maya got it first. Very good. Kerrigan. Okay, Kerrigan. Very good, Kerrigan. And Legacy. Legacy. All right. Legacy say, I know, not I think. Wow, Legacy. Wow. The shade. The shade.
Mr. Petit.
And then Joel.
Nobody can beat Najara and I.
Najara and I. Yeah. Wow, I like how y'all defending Najara today. In a
Najara.
Yeah, in a wounded.
She's still in the top 5.
Yeah.
I'm not.
She still is in the top 5.
Najara wounded and she's still in the top 5. Wow, this is crazy. All right.
Sorry, but that's a guys.
Get well soon, Najara. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I remember when Legacy couldn't talk.
Yeah, I know, right? Just like when Legacy can talk.
See, my mommy's not home at the moment.
Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Mr. Petit, still writing.
No problem. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
My mommy's not home at the moment.
All right. Okay, Skylar, do you understand how we got an answer or no?
I understand.
Okay. And Trinity, do you understand how we got an answer? There's Trinity.
Yes, sir.
Seth, do you understand how we got an answer?
Kinda.
Kinda. Which part don't you understand?
I don't.
Let's start off with the first one, 1A. Read 1A. What 1A say?
Jessica selected the grill chill beach tour and the stingray habitat tour. What is the total cost of the two events?
So if we want to figure out the cost of the two events, what we're gonna do? Add. Very good. What we're gonna add?
350 plus 70.
Very good. And that gives us what?
220.
220. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now read B.
Jessica will see a 10% discount on her bill. What is the total amount of the discount that she received?
So for that one, we have to do 10% of what? Of 220, right? What is 10% as a fraction? What is 10% as a fraction? Say it again.
10 over 100.
Very good. And we have to multiply that by 220. So we're gonna cancel out this 0 and that 0. And we're gonna cancel this 0 with that 0. So we cancel the zeros. And we are left with 1 over 1 times 22 over 1. Okay. And we know that 1 times 22 is going to be 22. So the answer is 22. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
May I get the phone, please?
Yes, we can.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on. Let's go ahead and move on to the next question. Again, let's move on to the next question for this one. Are
we doing things like this?
No, we got another question entirely.
Yes, sir.
Something has changed within. All right, let's move on. Something is not the same.
Mr. Petit, I wasn't done finishing writing yet.
Oh, I put inside the chat, so you could get it from the chat.
Okay.
And it's not okay. It's either yes or no, sir. Skylar.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's move on to this next question. All right, so I guess y'all want me to actually write. So let me go ahead and write. Since y'all accusing me of
Not in the way we
Miss
want.
Petit, I don't blame you now because I have the book.
That's right.
You do really well.
Right.
When it's Easter, do we still do Glat on Easter? Break.
A group of sixth graders, a group of sixth grade students were asked to select which type Wow, that's a lot of work, but wow, I'm tired.
Mr. Petit,
You just
Yes.
started, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
power just went.
We started like 36 minutes ago.
Power just went off and you're
Mr. Petit, no jar, so just
powering off. Okay.
But we have a thing to keep the Wi-Fi on, so it's gonna stay.
Really? That's good. What type of
So-
food so you on Elon Musk Starlink?
No, so we're on our own style.
What?
Mr. Petit, no wonder every time current goes off, my Grammy internet always stays up.
A group of 6th grade students were asked to select what type of food they like to eat. Yeah, Elon Musk made Starlink.
No wonder the internet never goes off.
Yeah, 29 students liked. He also made Tesla. Like all of the. He also made
Let's talk
SpaceX.
about those ugly cars that look like boxes on the road.
Please
Hey,
don't come
over
for our
here it's
Teslas.
beautiful.
Do not
Over
come.
here it's the best in my class. We saw it a bunch of times.
Do
I
not.
hate those
Do
cars.
not come for my Teslas.
Teslas are the best. They can drive by themselves.
That's what I'm talking
That's
about.
an opinion.
Actually, I wouldn't want a car
One
that could
time
drive
I
itself.
Hey, Daddy. One
Of-
time I saw a truck.
of the
One time I
food.
saw a commercial to sell a truck. All
Uh-huh.
4 of the wheels turned.
Wow.
When they turned, all 4 of them turned.
Wow.
I mean that won't be like anything good.
Wow.
I mean, that's all 4 of
Mr. Petit,
I think that's a monster truck and monster truck.
Yes.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead, Karen. Najara.
I drive the car yesterday.
You drive the car?
Yes.
Awesome.
Really?
How
Really?
old are you?
Wow.
Now you
that's-
gotta.
I used to always
Wow.
drive the
Car.
car.
Wow.
Underage driving. Drive a car.
You better hope it was on
Zara, how old are you? That's what I get asked.
What his name is?
Kaden?
Kaden. Focus on your work, please. You so nosy, man. I don't understand that.
Lincoln too.
No, Lincoln, all right. Kaden is nosy, man.
Exactly.
20 students did not like any.
Not you, Lincoln.
20 students did not like any of the food items.
Don't blame them.
45 students liked hamburgers. And 28 students like tacos.
Ew.
You don't like tacos?
No, sir.
No.
What?
I know,
Okay,
right?
so this might be a little
That's a
weird
routine.
thing.
Every
This
Tuesday they
this
sell
might be a
tacos.
little disgusting for some of y'all, but I
Who said you? Every Tuesday they sell tacos at my school. Every Tuesday.
Yeah, tacos is really good.
Who said you?
I just
want to know
I did.
Tuesday.
Tacos is really nice. I like tacos.
Every
Taco
Tuesday.
All right. So let's go ahead and draw this.
Oh, this is with the Venn diagram.
Yeah. So you did this whole paper then?
I did all the math. So
Okay.
You working so hard, just like me.
Yes, I know. Thank you so much, Lincoln. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Wow.
I respect what you're doing. It's on your side, Mr. Petit. It's been different. I'm not liking it. We have to kick him out.
What? Lincoln is gonna stay right there.
Yes, we can't kick you out, so we just have to kick him out.
Lincoln.
Me.
Lincoln.
Yes, sir.
You could begin answering the question. You could begin answering the question.
I waited.
All right. Put your first answer inside the chat.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Petit, I gave you candy.
This is not fair.
It's totally fair. It's totally fair.
Not at
Mr.
all.
Petit, I gave you
Ultimately
$21.
I
failed.
noticed, Najara.
I love your hard work, Mr. Petit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I
Mr.
know,
Petit,
right?
I gave you a bunch of
what
candy.
All right. All right. All right. Quit the talking. Let's get to work.
2 plus 2.
Okay, so I just want the circles. All right, so you're gonna put the Venn diagram, the circles in there. Yeah, let's do it like this. I just want
I think
circles.
that's AI.
No, it's not AI. It's just 2 circles.
Handmade physical circle.
Pretty fake, Miss Liberty.
Thank you. Thank you,
From
Joel.
Google.
Thank you, Joel. Joel, you're
Of
my.
course,
Thank you,
of
Joel.
course, the boys
I
are
always
gonna.
have to get your back.
Thank you, Joel. Appreciate it. All right, so here we have hamburger, and then here we have tacos. Hamburger or tacos? Which one y'all prefer?
Hamburger.
None.
Oh,
Tacos.
Oh, two. Because I'll eat both.
Tacos.
None.
Tacos.
None?
I'm-
Never.
Mr.
None.
Petit, tacos at
Actually,
school
I got a
has,
never for
has soggy cheese. The cheese is soggy with the taco today.
I'm
Wow.
not really
The
a
tacos
like
was
none.
bad today.
All right,
The
one at a
cheese
time,
was
one at a time, one at a time, one at a time.
I'm
One
not
at a
really a
time.
hamburger person,
You don't really like the tacos?
but I might eat it.
I like none.
I don't like hamburgers like that.
You don't like hamburgers? Wow, gosh. Wow,
Guess what,
wow.
Mr. Petit?
I don't know
I
that.
like none.
You don't like, oh my goodness.
know.
And I don't really eat tacos.
What?
I don't like meat.
You don't eat meat?
Looks like we got some Burger King people and some
Well,
Taco
I only
Bell
eat
people.
it sometimes, but I don't like eating them
Wait,
all the
one at a
time.
time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Go ahead, Skylar.
I don't like eating meat all the time because it makes me feel sick.
Oh, so you're a vegetarian?
No, I'm not
Oh.
a vegetarian, so.
Oh, wow.
Aren't you a vegan, Mr. Petit?
Yeah, I was trying to find another vegan, but that didn't work out.
Only for
Why
today,
do
Mr.
I
Petit.
feel like that's April Fools? That's a fool.
Only for today, Mr. Petit. I won't use none.
Yeah, only for the day. Okay. Okay, use the information in the statement. To fill in the circles, on the Venn diagram, How about you, Daniela, hamburgers or tacos?
None at all.
What? I'm going to die. I'm going to die. All right.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I
go
don't
ahead.
really like either of them, but if I really had to choose, I'd have to choose tacos.
You had to choose tacos. Okay. Go ahead, Lincoln, read the question for me, please.
A group of 6th grade students were asked to select which type of food they like to eat. 29 students liked all of the food items. 20 students did not like any of the food items. 45 students liked hamburgers and 28 students liked tacos. Number 1A. Use the information in the statement to fill in the circles on the Venn diagram.
Very good. Very good. Good. So let's go ahead and fill it out. They said that, so question, what number goes into the hamburger? Should I put 45?
45.
29? Should I put 28? Like, how should I arrange it?
Hamburgers are better.
Hamburger. No, I mean,
Just
like that.
You put 45 and then on the taco side you put 28.
that's what you think? So it says,
And so?
okay. So it says a group of students were asked to select which type of food they like to eat. 29 students like all of the food items. Okay, so that means where should the 29 go?
I'm a part of the 29.
In the middle.
Middle.
Where should the 29 go?
29 should go in the middle.
In the middle.
In the middle. Why should
The
the 29?
20 should be outside of the Venn diagram.
Why should
of the two circles.
The middle.
why should the
Because
29?
that means they like both. Because
like-
that means they like both.
Very good. Very good. No chatting inside the chat, please. Legacy, Kerrigan, and Lincoln. So in the middle, 29 is going to be in the middle. All right, 29 is going to be in the middle. All right, because it says 29 like all of the food items. Okay. Now, 20 students did not like any of the food items. So where should the 20 go? Where should the 20 go? 20 students did not like any of the food items.
Bottom, outside of the Venn diagram.
Outside of
the two circles because they don't
Very
like
good.
both of them.
Very
or
good.
any of them.
Very good. It should be on the outside. So it should be 20 students right there. So 20 students. 20 students did not like any of the food items. So we're going to put that on the outside. Okay. Next. 45 students liked hamburgers. 48 students like tacos. So we're going to go what? 45. And then what?
28.
Then 28, right?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
Can I please go get a ruler?
Yes, we can. Is this how to do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Absolutely not.
April Fool's Day. Ha ha ha.
No,
And I read the pen.
no. These two are wrong. They said that, and here's the thing, they said that 29 students, not like all, 20 students did not like any, 45 like hamburgers. So they didn't say 45 like hamburgers only. So that means that this whole thing is 45. The whole thing is 45. But we already know that 29 is a part of it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say 45 minus what? 45
29.
minus 29. Very good. We have to subtract from that. 45 minutes. Because the people in the middle are a part of the 45. Y'all understand that?
I
people
didn't
in-
understand. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the people in the
yes,
middle.
sir. I apologize.
People in the middle are inside of the 45. Okay. So we have to subtract. So 5 minus 9 is going to be what? 5 minus 9 is going to, we can't do that. So we cancel. This becomes 3. It just becomes 1. So 15 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
6.
15, that's going to be 6. Very good. 6. 3 minus 2 is what?
1.
1.
Let's do it. See, I sent my answer first.
What you said, Najara, you saying something, you sound low.
I got 16.
16, very good. So that means that 16 is gonna be here, right? And here's the thing, if you add 16 and 29, you get 45. So if that's how we get hamburger, how are we gonna get how many for the tacos?
Subtract 29 minus we do the same thing, but not with 45. It's subtracted by 28.
Very good, very good. So we say 28 minus what?
29.
Yeah, 29 minus 28, very good.
29.
Let's go ahead and do that. So we say 29 minus 28. So 29 minus 28. Would you say legacy?
1.
1, exactly. 9 minus 8 is 1.
1.
And 2 minus
1. And then 0.
0.
So the answer is 1.
So this will be 1.
This is Betty. That was 3rd.
So this is 1.
I can't believe one person like tacos.
I can't believe it either. I can't believe
These
it.
hamburgers are better. 29 people like both.
Tacos better.
I mean, 29 did like both, so that's the truth. I prefer
So if one person like it and 29 people like it.
one
doesn't mean-
person. No,
like
one
it?
person like it only. So only one person like tacos only. This is very important. So
In my school, everybody like them.
Like that only, basically.
Only, son.
So that means it's not in between.
Exactly. All right, do you all have this written down? Let me know if you all have this written down.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna ask
Not
y'all.
yet.
Wait,
I'm
we
gonna ask-
supposed to draw that?
Yes, you're supposed to draw it. Just like how I
Yes,
drew.
sir.
You have to draw it, just like me. All right, so here's the thing. Let me ask you a question. How many students like hamburgers?
16. I do.
No, I mean in the chart, based on the chart. Seth.
45 or
45.
16.
5.
How many students like hamburgers?
45. Because you didn't say
16.
how much people. You didn't say how much persons who like hamburgers only.
Very good. It's 45. If I say how many students like hamburgers, it's going to be 45 because I didn't say how many students like hamburgers only. All right. So let me try this again. How many students like hamburgers?
28.
45.
45.
Let's try this again.
25.
Let's try this again. How many students like hamburgers?
45.
45. Very good. 45. 45 students like hamburgers. Seth, turn your camera. Wyatt, turn your camera. Joel and Gianna, turn your camera. Adaya, are you writing this down? Where's Adaya? Seth, you have to write this down. You can't just be chilling.
I wrote it down, Mr. Petit.
Okay. Adaya, are you there? Where's Adaya? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Can't hear from Adaya. Okay, yes, so I'm writing it. Okay, good. All right,
She
so
said in the chat.
yeah. How many students like hamburgers only? How many students like hamburgers only?
16.
I need everyone to answer, please. How many students like hamburgers
16.
only?
16.
16. 16, very good. All right. How many students like both hamburgers and tacos?
29.
29.
29.
29, very good. 29. And then how many students like hamburgers? I mean, how many students like tacos only?
One.
One person.
One,
One.
very good. One.
Yeah.
All right, so that's how we do that. So let's move along.
And how much students didn't like
Oh
none
yeah,
of
and then how many
those?
students like none of those? Thank you, Maya.
20.
20.
20.
20.
Very good. 20.
20.
So my question is 1B. How many students? Sorry, my bad. What? How was it 524? Huh? What was the total?
April Fools.
That's no April Fool's. Time no lie. What's the total number?
523.
It's 524. Total number of.
Time what? By far. Find the
Grade.
lie.
That's right. 6th grade students who
They were
were
slow.
surveyed.
And yes, school goes slow.
Surveyed. I
Who
don't know.
was Tuesday, but not Monday?
Who were surveyed. All together. All together. Okay. How many? What is the total number of 6th grade students who were surveyed all together? Turning by.
The persons that already put it in from long time. We all the way at the top. Or do you
Yeah.
want just to put back again?
I didn't even see it. I'll check the chat. So we have the answer all together. So we have to say, we have to add them, right? So all together, right? Well, we have to add. We have to add 16 plus what? Plus 29
Plus 1.
plus 1
Plus 20.
plus 20. And that's going to be equal to, again, let's go ahead and add them. So 16 plus 29 plus 1 plus 20. We go ahead and add them. We get Let me go ahead and add them on the other side. So we have space. So let's go again. So we have 16 plus 29 plus 1 plus 20.
If you add the 16 and the 29 together, it adds up to 45, and we already know that's 20 plus 1 is 21. So you could just add 21 and 45 together.
Yeah, that makes sense. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Put the 6 down, put the 1 up. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6.
So the answer is 66.
So the answer is definitely 66. All right, that's how we get that. How many persons got that?
I don't know how they got 122.
I did.
I did.
66 students.
Lincoln, you have
Well,
that.
I had to correct it.
You have that all the way at the top.
Lincoln, did you get this right?
Well, I had to correct some things, but now, yes, sir.
Did you see how we got it? Did you see how we got it right? How we got it the right way?
Yes, sir.
You have to turn your camera because I can't see you.
Oh, I'm about to go to track practice now, and I'm
Oh,
in the car, so that's why I make him talk.
oh, okay, okay. So 16 plus 29 plus 1. Now, you understand why we put the how we got the 16, Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
And you understand why we got the 1? Why did we get the 16 and 1? Why we didn't just put the full 45 here?
Because they didn't ask for the hamburger only.
Okay, good. So for the hamburger only, how much is that?
45.
No, only hamburger only.
Oh, hamburger only is 45 students.
No, hamburger.
It's 45.
Hamburger only.
16.
Hamburger.
16.
16, very good. All of hamburger is how much?
45.
Lincoln?
45.
45, very good. All right, do you all have this written down? Let me know if you all have this written down, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
but
Good.
can you put the other notes in the chat, please?
Yes, I can. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
It's
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. My
5:30.
mommy just left. She have a board meeting.
All right, no problem. I mean, you don't have to give all your mommy information just like that. All right, Kaden. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
It's 5:30, Mr. Petit.
I know.
30 more minutes. Mr. Petit, how does time not fly by fast in school, but flies by here?
I don't know. I don't know.
It takes like
I don't know.
2 hours for 1 hour to finish. And then it takes like 10 minutes for it to finish.
I agree.
And it's 2 hours.
Like our classes, it feels so short. I don't know. It's 2 hours. It feels so short.
It should go soft till 7.
Yeah. We definitely ain't going to.
A next class finishes at 9.
Yeah. 9. Yeah. Well, that is feel long. That is feel long. On some days, it depends on the
school
day.
has is 3 hours, and we have 2 hours.
Say it again.
They have 3 hours.
Yeah, they have 3 hours. 3 hours. My next class have 3 hours.
I know because my cousin is in there.
Your cousin? Really?
The next class he teaches grade 9 on.
Mr. Petit,
my sister.
hear me?
Yes, grade 9. Grade 9.
Mr. Petit.
Yes, Seth.
Okay, you can hear me. I wanted to say that my cousin is taking other class too.
Who's your cousin?
Amari.
Yes, Amari, that is correct.
And do you know Jada?
Jada who?
Jada Jean Lewis.
I don't know no Jada. I have
Wait,
no
Maya,
idea.
can you say the last name again?
I have no idea.
Jean Lewis.
I don't know.
Oh,
Jada. I don't know.
kid in my class named Nathan Jean Lewis.
Mr. Petit, my sister goes to class.
Who's your sister?
Dior.
I don't know who's Dior. Never heard of it in my life.
I heard you calling his name just the
Dion
other day.
Mabara.
No, 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 no. I don't know
April
that.
Fools.
I don't know them people. I don't know. Never heard of them in my life.
Do we have a new student?
No, that's Shay. Jaden.
Alright,
All right, let's go ahead and do this. We have 5 and 1 over 3. Divided by.
I just need to put the thing in the system. I can talk to them. I can talk to them.
So we have 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and what? And 3 over 1 and 3 over what? 3 over
8.
3 over 8. Very good. So 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. Okay. So how are we going to answer this? Do you all know how to divide mixed numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
No, sir.
No?
But I think you
Are
put
we
the
doing
wrong thing in the
KSF?
chat. I was at to ask for the other stuff.
For
The
the other.
application were problems.
Okay, let me send that. Let me see.
Are we doing KSF?
You mean this one?
Yes, sir.
Wait,
Mr. Batik,
1
excuse me, Mr.
second.
Batik, sorry to interrupt.
Go ahead, Joel.
I can do this on my own. The question what you're doing now.
You could do it on your own. You know how to do it on your own?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead, go right ahead. So we have 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. And our goal is to go ahead and, why is this not sending? Okay, all right, it's sent.
Do we have to make denominators the same?
No, we don't have to make the denominators the same. We don't. We don't have to make the denominators the same. Wyatt, where's Wyatt? Wyatt, you need to turn your camera. Wyatt, what happened to your camera? Why your camera can't stay on? What's wrong with you? Hello, Wyatt. What happened to your camera? Why your camera can't stay on?
I was in the car.
Yeah, right.
Afternoon, Mr. Batik.
Yeah, right. Good afternoon. All right, so we have this question that we have to answer. We have 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 3 over 8. So how are we gonna go ahead and answer this, right? The first thing we're gonna do, anyone wanna try? How are we gonna answer this? We have to do what?
Turn them into improper
We're gonna
fractions.
multiply them out so we could turn it into
We have to turn each of the mixed numbers into what?
Improper fractions.
Improper fractions. So how are we gonna change it into improper fractions? We're gonna multiply
5
what?
times 3 is 15.
Uh-huh.
Plus 1 is 16.
Very good.
16 over 3.
So we have to multiply and then we have to add. Same thing for this one. Similarly, we have to multiply and then go ahead and add right there. And so that's what we have to do. All right, so we have to go ahead and do that. So that's gonna be equal to 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3?
15.
5,
15 plus 1 is 16.
5
So
times
16
3
over
is
3.
15.
16 over 3.
Plus 1 is 16. So it's gonna be 16 over 3. Okay. Divided by 1 times 8 is 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11. So it's going to be 11 over what? 11 over
8.
8. Very good. 11 over 8. Okay. Moving right along, it's gonna be equal to what? 16 over 3. So 16 over 3. Remember the rule.
Times.
KSF. We keep,
Key.
switch,
Which.
and flip.
Flip.
Very
Flip.
good. Keep, switch, keep,
Switch, flip.
switch, flip. Very good. And so that means that this 11 is gonna go down there, and this 8 is gonna go above. Okay. And so we have this division is gonna turn into a multiplication. Okay. And this 8 is going to be above. All right. And it's gonna be over 11. Okay. And that's going to be
I
equal
got
to.
my answer.
That's going to be equal to. You got
Mr.
your
Viti?
answer? Put inside the
Yes,
chat if
sir.
you got it. Put inside the chat. Put inside the chat. So we say 16 multiplied by 8. And then 3 multiplied by 11. Let's go ahead and multiply those out. So 16, right? 16 multiplied by 8. All right. 8 times 6. What is 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is 48. 48. Put the 8 down. Put the 4 above. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. So it's going to be 128. So it's going to be 128. And then 3 times 11 is going to be what? What is 3 times 11? 33. 33. Very good. And so the answer is 128 divided by 33, right? But we know how to divide, right? So we have to change this into what?
But
Mixed
improper
number.
fraction?
Not a
mixed
mixed
number.
a mixed number. So we say
Because I think
33.
in the chat they didn't turn it into mixed number.
Oh, so 33 goes into
And
128.
that's why I haven't answered.
33 into 128. All right. And that's why coffee is for grown-ups. So how many times?
Mr. Viti used me up with all of this movies.
Mr. Duncan, my internet keep on reconnected and I kept on like leaving the Zoom meeting. So I
Oh,
need those notes again because when I went in the chat I wasn't there.
okay, no problem.
Thank you.
So we say, how many times does 33 goes into 128?
29 times. Right.
Let's do 33 times 3. 33 times 3.
That's 99.
3 times 3 is
9.
9. 3 times 3 is
Yes, mine.
9.
9. Very good. And so 33 times 3 is going to be what? 99. And so we subtract, right? 8 minus 9, we can't do this. This becomes what? 1.
Over.
Right?
We do
So we have 18 minus 9, which is going to be what?
9.
9. Just borrow from that becomes 0. This becomes 11. It's 9, 10, 11. So it's going to be 29. All right. So what is that? That means that the whole number is going to be what?
3.
The whole number is 3. Okay. The numerator, the number on top is what?
29.
N, which is 29. And the denominator is what?
33.
The denominator is 33. Very good. And so what we have is gonna be equal to 3 as the whole number, 29 as the numerator. The denominator is 33. So it's gonna be 3 and 29 over 33. All right, and that's my answer. Do y'all understand that? Let me know, please, if y'all understand that.
Yes, sir. So we don't really actually divide like that.
Say it again.
We don't do much dividing.
No, we don't do much of the dividing. Wait, 9,
Mostly
10,
multiplying.
11. Yeah. Yeah. Do you understand this? Let me know if you understand this.
It's 5.
A little bit.
Wyatt, do you understand this? But it's 541. Do you understand this? You do?
Understand it a little bit.
Seth, you said you understand a little bit. Wyatt, go ahead and explain this, please.
So you turn 5, 1 over 3 into a
improper fraction. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16.
Yes.
16 over 3. Then you turn 1 on
I was kicked out.
3 over 8 into improper fraction 2. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So you got 16 over 3 divided by 11 over 8. Then you flip 11 over 8 and make that 8 over 11. Then you make
What do we do?
Then you made the denominator the same.
No. That's not what we did. We multiply 16 times 8.
16 times 8.
And that gives us what?
128.
Good. What else we did?
Then 3 times 11.
Which gives us what?
32.
33. Very good. And so our answer becomes what?
3 and 29 over 32.
And we got that from dividing. All right. Y'all think y'all could do a question on your own? Do y'all think y'all could do a question on your own?
Top 3.
Top 3?
Top 5.
Top 3?
Probably, but I have like less than 10 minutes here.
All right.
So I have to leave at 5:50.
Top 5.
So I probably won't be able to finish it.
You might be able
Top
to.
10. Top 10.
Top 10.
Top 5.
Top 5.
Top 5.
Top 5. The top 5.
All right, let's do
Top
top
5
5.
because there's 15 of us. We're gonna see you got the top.
But see, look
5
at my hand. 1-0.
and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 5 over 8. So 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 5 over 8. We don't talk about Bruno.
They say he saw the future.
Focus on your work, please.
Already got my answer.
What? Impossible. All right, put your answers inside the chat then, Trinity. I hope it's right. I hope it's right. I hope and I hope and I hope and I hope. Do this on your own, please. We have 5 and 1. 5 and 1 over 3. 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 5 over 8. Okay, so use the working that I gave you to get the answer. Who answered already?
I did.
I did.
Trinity?
I
Maya? Glendira? Dean? Who was that? That's
Who's that?
That's what's his name?
Jason.
Jason. Very good. Jason. All right. Skylar, that's what you got?
Yes, I used to do this in class all the time.
All right. Najara?
Honestly, because I'm sick, they're trying to take over. I didn't even go to school today.
Wow. That's crazy.
He was that sick?
Wow.
I couldn't even walk this one. I had the hole on the wall.
Wow.
And my eyes was too blurry and I couldn't see.
That's horrible.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're feeling a little bit better.
Yeah.
I'm glad too.
I'm at the top bottom.
The top bottom? What does that mean?
I got. I mean, it's horrible.
All right.
No, a top 7.
Top 7. There's no such thing as top 7, bro. Top 5 or top 3. All right, let's go
I
ahead.
got 7. Sorry.
Let's go. We
How
have the.
did Madeline get 412 or 39?
I don't know. I don't know what Madeline doing. Madeline eat that chocolate, and she is not the same anymore.
And then share.
And didn't share. She did not share. She did not share.
I will come and
Mr. Believe, I type in the chat say Madeline, you can't eat without sharing. She said she.
All right, 5 times 3 is gonna be what?
Mr. Petite,
Yes, Trinity.
I must have put the wrong number in the back of 11 over 19.
Yes, what the number supposed to be?
Wait, Mr. Badee, so Jason copied her?
I don't know if Jason copied her. I don't know.
Because if Trinity got 99, he had the copy. He also got 99.
Yeah, you got 99. Jason, how did you got 99?
I don't know. I just put it there.
You just put it there? Did you do the work in?
Copy.
Jason, did you do the work in?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
But you have to do the work in. By the way, before, what's her name? Legacy have to go. The answer is 3 and 11 over 39. 3 and 11 over 39. So if you got that, then your answer is correct. So let's go ahead.
I added a decimal.
Let's go ahead and do it. So we say, so we're gonna multiply, then add. So multiply, then add. All right, so 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So it's gonna be 16. All right, 16 over 3.
Using a petite.
Divided by, yes.
I have to leave now.
If they go, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
1 times 8 is going to be 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's going to be 13 over what? 13 over 8. All right. Then we do KSF. We keep, switch, flip. So we flip what? We flip this, the 13 and the 8. Okay. And so it's going to be equal to 16 over 3. So 16 over 3. Multiplied. Instead of having the division, we're going to multiply. Multiply it by 8 over what? 8 over 13. Okay, 8 over 13. And so let's go ahead and multiply. So 16 times 8 is going to be equal to 16 times 8. 16 times 8 is 128. It's going to be 128. So we multiply 16 times 8. Again, 16 times 8 is going to be 128. We have 3 times 13. 3 times 13 is what?
39.
3 times 13 is going to be 39. Very good.
Yeah.
And so we have to divide, right? Yes.
Do we have classes on Easter break?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
So we say 39 into.
Miss Petit, if we have class on Easter break, I'm not sure if I'll be able to join because all Easter break I'll be doing stuff.
Oh, I understand. So we say 39 into 128. How many times is 39 going to 128?
You put 129.
Yeah.
April Fools.
I know, right?
Keep forgetting about that.
Mm-hmm. So 128 39 into 128 goes what? 3 times 39 is gonna be what? 3 times 39 is what? 117. 117. Okay, so we subtract. All right. So we say 8 minus 7. What is 8 minus 7? That's gonna be
1.
2 minus 1 is
1.
1. Very good. And so we have here is we have 3 and 3.
11.
Sorry, and 11 rather. 3 and 11. 3 and 11.
Over
What?
39.
Over 39.
39.
Very good. 3 and 11
Yeah.
over 39. And that's what we have. 3 and 11 over 39. How many persons got this? Let me know if you got this, please. 3 and 11 over 39.
Me.
Wyatt, did you get this?
And edited it.
All right, so let's
I
go.
got it.
Top 5. Top 5. Let's do top 5. That would be Skylar, Najara, Joelle, Maya, and Kaden.
He edited it.
Oh,
Best-
and Seth. And Seth.
I don't
Best
want
of the
it.
team.
Even though I edited, I still don't want the point. I don't
Yeah, right.
Best of the
Yeah,
team.
right.
I was gonna come
Yeah,
second place, but
right.
I accidentally typed it to someone else.
Oh, wow. Excuses.
It's okay though.
Excuses.
At
Top-
least the second person managed to come second place. Good job.
Yes. All right. Have a
Yeah.
wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you all on tomorrow.
Thank you, Mr. Riti. Bye.
See you
No
tomorrow,
problem. Take care.
Thursday.
Bye,
Take care.
Nicola. Hope you feel better.
Yes, take care, everyone.
Thank you. See you tomorrow, Thursday.
Yeah. Take care.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
see y'all
Bye-bye.
all tomorrow.
Bye, Daniela.
Woo!
Okay. All right, Legacy.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody.
See you later.
Just making sure I don't miss nothing.
All right. Take care.
April Fool.
No one has left. No one. Y'all ain't gone. Bye. See you later.
Well, because I remember last time you left and I was the host.
Seth, stop writing on my screen, please.
She would be the host,
Oh my.
and I'd be second in command.
Let me go, yeah? Take care.